I'm right here in my place right now, and I'm quite happy now that I have to take a rest for a while. Okay, this is the place where I stay. You look at the place, all of it. There's a pool out behind me.
Good day guys, as I promised yesterday, I am going to discuss about the SCRB or Survival Craft and Rescue Boat. Dahil ito po ay naglalayon po sa isa pong seafarers na kung po siya ay mag-take charge po sa survival craft, ay magkakaroon siya ng isang essential education and training to meet the regulatory standard for the task required. Bakit po? Ano po ba ang proficiency in survival craft? The courses teaches orderly abandonment of the vessel in an emergency situation, clearing the vessel's proper and effective use of equipment, and coordinating survival activities during rescue operation. The course is designed for certificated officers as well as certificated ratings. Yan po, nang ayon po sa STCW. What is a proficiency in survival craft and rescue boat other than past rescue boat? Ito po ay to provide the training for delegates assigned as being coxswain. Coxswain po ay a steerman on a board vessel to launch and take charge of a survival craft or rescue boat in emergency situation in accordance with the STCW. The survival craft and rescue boats other than rescue boat course covers mandatory competences. Mandatory competences po ang pinag-uusapan dito. And required knowledge, understanding, and proficiencies prescribed in the section A-6/2 of the STCW code. So, yan po. Ano po ba ang considered na proficiency? Ang proficiency po is often used to mean suitable, at the best competent. An amateur cook, a student, or any crew in the vessel should learn the skill as proficient, such as launching the boat and steering the boat when it's about time for everyone to be on the lifeboat vessel. Proficiency is the level of skill and expertise that an individual possesses in a particular area. It is a measure on how well someone can perform the task or activity. Proficiency is generally assessed through performance metrics or standards, and it can be improved through training and practice. Kaya nga po tayo po ay nagtitraining at practicum, upang bawat isa po sa atin ay magkaroon po ng skill, mapanatili po at hindi po natin makakalimutan, dahil ito po lamang ay magagawa po natin during emergency situation po, such as abandonment of the vessel. Yan po ay naglalayong pong pag-aralan natin po ang mga dapat pong gawin sa kursong ito. Dahil alam niyo po ba kung bakit? Ang SCRB po, itong kurso po na to, will train the crew to be able to launch and take charge of survival craft or rescue boat in emergency situation in accordance with the STCW code. Yan po. Kaya nga po, a craft is capable of sustaining the lives of the person in distress from the time of abandonment of the ship. So, this is not just an ordinary topic. Our life is at stake when the order of abandonment has been ordered by the master of the ship. So you have to learn what is survival craft and lifeboat. What are the difference between the two? Lifeboats are advanced survival crafts for rescue or evacuation and long-term survival sustenance at the sea. On the other hand, any rescue boat should have the minimum conditions of the immediate or quick response rescue of passenger irrespective of the subsequent sustenance period. So, ang mga pinag-uusapan po natin dito, ano po ba ang level ng proficiency? There are 4 stages ang competence po. For example po ay ang conscious incompetence, conscious incompetence, conscious competence, unconscious competence. Yan po ay 4 po na level ng competency. How do you answer proficiency level? You can measure your level based on the advanced prescribed experience instead of relying solely on the level. Yan po. Ano po ba ang diferensya po ng survival craft? At saka ng lifeboat. Ang survival craft po, it is an emergency inflated life raft to save the distressed person. It could be launched by him alone. He could do it while the lifeboat itself will have to be launched by the crew. So, yan po. How to define the proficiency and achievement. Achievement means how well students have learned or what we expect them to know. On the hand, proficiency is the ability to do something very well. Yan po to do something very well. Ibig sabihin po, ang expertise po na to ay paulit-ulit po nating ginagawa at tayo po ay na-train sa level ng kaalaman. Kaalaman ng magpaandar ng lifeboat, ang mag-launch, yan po. Yung mga proficiency pong ganyan during emergency po. Every seafarer should have to keep it in his heart or her heart, the training that we are doing in school. Dapat po nating itong isapuso dahil ito po ay nagtatalakay po sa ating pong survival po sa buhay. Kung sakali nga pong magkaroon po ng problema such as abandonment of the ship po, napakahirap po itong kalagayan po na to. Kaya po tayo po, bagamat ito po ay training lang at hindi po natin ito nagagawa po ito ng pang araw-araw, ay kailangan po nating magpakaseryoso po sa ganitong subject. Survival craft and rescue boat, yan po. Sa pangalan lang po ay medyo parang may kaunting takot na tayo po ay sumakay sa ganito po. But during training in the ship, which we do it usually every 1 week, tayo po ay nagiging nahasa po ang ating kaalaman po ng pag-launch sa barko, ng mga lifeboat at survival craft. Tayo po ay tinitraining po. Halos linggo-linggo pong training to. Hindi po natin ito binabaliwala o ganun-ganun lamang. So, during emergency situation po, or when you hear the emergency alarm, every person in the ship or any crew in the ship should have to take that seriously. You have to get up when you're lying down. Ganun po. Hindi po natin ito babaliwain at isipin naman na fire drill na naman, lifeboat drill na naman. Hindi po ganun. So, sana po, ang bawat isa po sa atin ay nagkaroon po ng idea kung paano po tayo ay mailigtas po during such emergency na ganun. Kaya nga po, sa training po natin, sa practicum na naglalayong po tayo ay patalunin sa swimming pool, paakyatin po sa mga rescue boat. Yan po ay isang sitwasyon pong alam natin na ang kaalamang matututunan po natin doon ay hindi lamang po sa certificate, kundi po dahil po sa ating buhay. Doon po nakasalalay ang ating buhay po sa ating mga kaalaman po sa mga training po na piniprovide po ng mga training school sa buong Pilipinas. At tayo po sana ay magkaroon po ng seryosong pananaw po na ang survival craft o rescue boat ay ito po ay hindi po ito isang biro-birong training po. this is a serious matter that every seafarer should have to keep it by heart po, lahat po ng natutunan po niya sa mga training na to. Na sana po ay naging isa pong magandang payo po sa inyo to, na sana po ay hindi nyo po makalimutan na inyo pong training po ay hindi biro-biro. I hope every seafarer should have a safe voyage in the high seas and even in the coastal area. So wish that every one of you is in good health. Safe voyage to everyone. So you see, I hope everybody should have to keep it by heart. Isa puso po. Okay po, marami pong salamat sa panonood ninyo. Thank you po very much.